YouTube, what's up, you guys? Coming back at you with another video. As you recall, in my previous video where I mentioned all the different appearance mods and everything, and spoke a little bit about the covers for the tail lights here. So we got them in. So yeah, we're going to install those covers. So let's check it out. So we got them here in the trunk, as you can see. So these are the guys are here in the box here. They just came in a couple of days ago. So I haven't opened them up yet or taken them out. As you can see, they're still wrapped up. It's a bit windy today, sorry about that. So yeah, let me unwrap this one here. We'll see what they look like. So yeah, they got that, that black frost, I guess, something like that, smoked, black smoke. You can see the 3M tape. We'll see how that goes. I don't see any 3M tape on this side over here, so I'm not too sure how just one little strip of 3M tape is gonna work. So I'm trying to hold this here with one hand. So looks like let's see, yeah, it looks like these guys are gonna be here, maybe. Nope, looks like maybe these guys go on this side. Yeah, these guys go on this side here. So yeah, so as you can see, it doesn't black out too much, but it does a little bit. I was hoping that'd be a little bit darker, but not too bad. Not sure how it looks like here in the camera. Probably doesn't do it much justice, but I can tell that, it does blacken it out a little bit. So, and then obviously, once you hit the brakes, it's going to light up pretty good because these are LED lights. So it's going to light up pretty good. It should be no problem. But it does add a little bit of, it does darken it out a little bit. Yeah, I can tell. It's hard to tell in the reflection through the camera and everything. But yeah, even from this angle, I can tell that it is a bit darker. So yeah, anyway, with that, nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and apply these guys on here. So again, it just has this little strip right here. So I have some additional 3M tape, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, let me set this down here. So I'm going to put another strip on the inner part on this side here. So that way we have two sections that are going to, hopefully, stick onto the tail light, so it doesn't, doesn't fly off, especially when you're going over some pretty good bumps and stuff like that. So, yeah, I see when you slide this guy in here, I'm not sure if you can tell, but yeah, I think if I put some like around the middle section in here, and it'll tape onto right around the middle section down in here. So that, with that, it should be pretty good. See how it looks like down here at the bottom. Yeah, should be okay. And then that other strip of tape, as you can see, it's right here. And so that's gonna stick on here at the very end of the tail light there. So once you push it in, I don't feel like no clicking or something where you can tell like, oh boom, yeah, it's in all the way, right? That's pretty much it. You just slide it down all the way, and I can feel down here in the inside where it does meet the, this black piece, right? This black piece goes up, so you can feel that it is pretty tight up there. So it fits perfectly. It really does. It fits perfect. So yeah, I know there's a few different ways you can tint these guys, right? But once you have the tint, if you don't want these anymore, then it's hard to take off the tint. You can do it either way, I guess. But I just found that this is pretty simple. You just throw some 3M tape on it, slap them on, and you're good to go. So with that, let me go ahead and set up the phone here, and then I'll take you through how I'm gonna add the 3M tape, or I'll see how that goes, and maybe we'll just go ahead and mount it on. So stay tuned, be right back, you guys. All right, guys, so here we are. Just kind of wanted to show you how I'm doing this. I am adding one strip of extra 3M tape. Just want to show you. So again, this is what it comes like. I don't know about other covers, maybe they have additional 3M tape on it, but as you can see, this one, it only has the one strip here on this side, right? So I'm adding additional tape that I got, and actually this stuff here I got when I added the interior on the volume knobs and all those different trim, you know, comes with this stuff here, right, for all those knobs. So got some, you know, leftover. So I'm gonna put, you know, I'm putting a strip down in here on this side here, so that way, you know, when the cover goes on, you know, at least you have two areas where it's gonna stick, because otherwise, you know, I just don't feel this is gonna be enough for, you know, wear and tear and, you know, rain and all that stuff, right? So let me show you here how I'm doing this. So this is gonna go here. See, I just put it down there in the middle, and it's transparent, so you really can't see it. So once I peel it off, you see it's transparent inside, so you really can't see the tape. So this guy, got it through this way. That's okay. So yeah, so you see, really can't see it. See that? So we'll take off this guy here. First, let me see, which side does this go on? This goes on the other side, so let me move this here. See if I can bring this down a little bit for you guys. There you go. So I'll take off the strip on this side here. I can see, blind as a bat. There you go. So yeah, I've already, oh, I forgot to tell you, so before you mount them, and I've already cleaned it off with alcohol, you want to make sure that you clean off your taillights really nice and clean, because they are covers after all, and so whatever dirt is on there, you're going to enclose it. So make sure you clean it off with some alcohol, nice and clean, so that way, you know, you get a good bond on your sticky tape, right? So here we go. Line it up in here like this. Push it in. There you go. And then just kind of press it down where the tape is, so that way you get a nice stick. There you go. You see? It doesn't come. I'm trying to pull it off. It's not coming off. So obviously, if you pull really hard on it, I'm sure you'll be able to break it off. But it's pretty tight on there. Pretty snug, pretty tight. I just hope we don't get a lot of, you know, like when you wash the car, get water that goes down inside. If it does, you know, hopefully it'll kind of seep out through, maybe by adding a whole bunch of, you know, seal it off completely with tape, you know, it'll kind of keep the water out, right? But I didn't even think of that. But, you know, as you saw, it comes with only the one strip, so apparently, you know, with just the one strip, you know, maybe the water doesn't get in. I don't know. I'll have to see. Once I wash the car, then I'll definitely see. So yeah, that was it for the other one. So let me go ahead and finish up. I've got two on this side, so these two are done. And I've got one on this side here. That guy's done. As you can see the difference here in the color, right? See the red, bright red on these two? And then this one is kind of dimmed out, right? All right, you guys, so we got it all done. So this side over here is partly in the sun. We got a little bit of sun hitting it right there. This side is completely in the shade. So as you can see, they are quite dark, so that's cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the lights just so how you can see, you know, how it shines through with just the lights on. And then I'm gonna have my wife hit the brakes so you can see, you know, how illuminated it is, right? So let me see. So right there, I got the lights on, and you can see how they're illuminated now, right? So they're quite bright. You can still see them. Now, baby, can you put the brakes?
Okay.
Come my wife here is gonna hit the brakes so you can see. Oh, baby. Oh, oh, there we go. There we go. She hit the brakes. There we go. See how bright they are? So yeah, they come peeking through, no problem at all. Almost the same as the top light there on the top of the car, so you can see they're really, really bright. And this is in the daytime, obviously, so at night, you know, they're going to be like super bright still anyway. So, okay, baby. There we go. That's just the lights right there. So let me turn off the lights here. Thank you. You're a YouTube star now. Cool. There we go. So now I got them off, and so now they're off. So again, this guy right here is, you know, got a little bit of sunlight right there hitting it. So you can see half of it is, you know, a little bright, and the top is a little dark. This side over here is completely dark. So yeah, that's cool, man. Blackened it out quite a bit. It's exactly what we wanted, you guys. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you here what the tail light covers look like. Quite happy with them. I'll put these in the description below, so in case you're interested, you know, you can certainly, you know, slap them on your Mustang also. They just, you know, they look great, I think. So cool. With that, we'll end it, you guys. All right, man. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. Peace.